cautious, careful, thorough.
Opportunities and a lot of great things that'll help us.
Professional, they have professional attitudes.
Baker Group has been very good at listening. They don't say, this is how I've always done it. I've done these for years and this is how we're going to go at it. They've been willing to listen to what we have to say. Just this morning, one of the gentlemen with Baker came in, so I'm just wondering, why is it you have this piece of equipment where you do? Other locations have it here. He didn't walk in and say, we think you should put it outside. He walked in and asked me, why do you have it where you do? They most definitely do know what they're doing. A lot of the reason they do is because they take the time to listen. Probably the most eye-opening thing and the most rewarding thing that they were able to offer right out of the gate was the overlay. You could actually see where that equipment was going. It is so much different to see it on a screen where you can move it around in any shape, direction you want, and ask the question, well, where is everything now? And with the click of a mouse, they're showing you the image of where everything is currently placed. Every subcontractor that's been out there has been able to go up to a portable system that they've been able to put on the floor and click on whatever system they might need information on. It's just been, again, a tremendous time and labor saving device. Some of the equipment that we have is extremely fragile, and Baker Group is right in the midst of installing one of our reactor systems right now. That is a glass-lined vessel, 40,000 pounds. Again, nothing but accolades for the way that they've been handling it. They didn't just bull it in, they didn't just drag it in place. They listened to what we had to say and the experience that we've already had, and it's sitting right where it needs to be right now, just about to be commissioned. They have just been a tremendous leap forward in the way that we look at what we're asking of a contractor and what our expectations are. Expansion is expected to continue here. There's already several projects in the works. Again, with Baker Group steering us in the way with the 3D modeling, I couldn't ask for a better partner in this endeavor than what we've got.